जो भी दिल से दिया दो दिया, तू ही धूप की छाया, तू ही अपना पराया, और कुछ ना जानू मैं, बस इतना ही जानू तुझ में रखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं।
सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। Hello, I am Neha and I am the bride's sister. I'm super excited for Ankita's and Aditya's wedding. So when we were actually looking for grooms, it's an arranged marriage, we all know. So when we were looking for grooms for Ankita, so we saw a few, and then she mentioned about this one boy who always cares about her, who is always there for her, and who never ever gives up on Ankita. And that is a moment we realized that yes, this is the one for our very loving sister. And yes, that is Aditya.
ಎಂದೆಂದೂ ನಿನ್ನನು ಅಗಲಿ ಬದುಕಿನಲಾರೆ, ಎಂದೆಂದೂ ನಿನ್ನನು ಮರೆತು ನ ಬದುಕಿರಲಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಣ ನೊಂದರು ನೀ ನಾ ತಾಳಲಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಣ ಸನಿಹಲನು ಸಹಿಸಲಾರೆ.
Ankita is super loving. She is super amazing. She is very pretty. Aditya, you obviously know that. And she is someone who is kind, humble, with a very good heart, a very golden heart. And she is someone who will give her everything towards for the person that she really likes or loves, that is Aditya. So I would like to wish both Aditya and Ankita a very happy married life, and many, many, many congratulations to you, Ankita. We are very happy for you.
मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है, पर कुड़ियां दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है।
मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है, पर कुड़ियां दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है।
ढोंगी सा ये बड़ा ढीठ है, वायरल हो गया ये ट्वीट।
पर फूल वूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है, शगन तेरी की लगन तेरी की हमने कर दी तैयारी है।
नचते ने सारे रल मिल के, आज हिल डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे। नचते ने सारे रल मिल के, आज हिल डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे। खसमानों का नहीं लालू बड़े करारे, चढ़ चढ़ के चौबारे तेरा मनाल स्वीटू आजा मारे। आलू बड़े करारे तेरा मनाल आलू बड़े करारे, चढ़ चढ़ के चौबारे तेरा मनाल स्वीटू आजा मारे।
मुंडे तलेंटी मेरे लिए हो गए सेंटी,
तेरे लिए हो गए सेंटी, तेरे लिए हो गए सेंटी।
तेरे लिए मैं सेट हूँ इस बात की गारंटी।
पर फूल वूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है, जहर बांध के कूद फांद तुझे ले जाना इस बारी है।
नचते ने सारे रल मिल के, आज हिल डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे। नचते ने सारे रल मिल के, आज हिल डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे। खसमानों खाने।
So finally the day has come. My loving sister is getting married. It was obvious that it's going to happen someday, but now that that day has finally come, we feel a little different. We feel a bit sad as well as we feel happy for my sister because she's moving on in life and change is good. So it's just to my loving sister. If anything that I've done has made you feel bad or if anything you felt was not right from my side. This is my moment to tell sorry and make amends to that. And I really hope that they have a really happy, successful, and a loving married life. That's all I hope for my sister, and I hope for the best. Thank you.
In your wife's earrings. I want you to tell two beautiful things about Adi. He's a very kind-hearted person. Very helpful person.
Okay, she's very caring. She is very humble, and she supports me in everything. I haven't had a bad day since the day I started to speak to her, and I enjoy the communication skills we have between each other. It's pretty good. So
Propose to her with a proper proposal. Okay? We know everything is set, marriage is ready, everything, but still, you should put little efforts, right? Right? Yes.
ಎಂದೆಂದೂ ನಿನ್ನನು ಅಗಲಿ ನಾನು ಬದುಕಿರಲಾರೆ ಎಂದೆಂದೂ ನಿನ್ನನು ಮರೆತು ನಾ ಬದುಕಿರಲಾರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಣ ನೊಂದರು ನೀ ನಾ ತಾಳಲಾರೆ
जो भी दिल से दिया दो दिया तू ही धूप ही छाया ही अपना पराया और कुछ ना जानू मैं बस इतना ही जानू तुझ में रब
है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं
Aditya is very lucky to have Ankita, and we as a family are very lucky to have you, and we welcome you from whole of our heart. And I wish you both, my brother, my love of my life, he's getting married. I'm a little emotional, but I love you both, Ankita and Aditya. Wish you the best. I want you the best. I wish you all the success, love, all the positivity in your new journey of yours. I love you a lot. I might not say that many a times, but definitely I want to say that you have been my partner in crime and my strength. Probably I might not call you many a times, but definitely even if I don't speak to you much, like because you are in US, I don't want to disturb you because of the crime and all. But I know you are there for me. No matter what, you are there for me, and I am always there for you, no matter what. I love you a lot.
Everything they've already talked about. Very humble, very kind. I am going to tell one story. There was a lady at work, an older lady, who had a family member that suddenly passed away. This guy bought her airplane ticket to go home. No questions asked. I thought that was... I found a whole new respect for him.
Welcome to our family.
लगा सनसेट है भाई तेरा हुल सेट है मोशन भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा देखो तो हसीना को वाना भी करीना को
1 week back I called Bhumika and said like you need to do this, and she agreed without saying no. So thank you so much, you did an amazing job, and she has been my best friend since my engineering times, and everyone knows that. So
let's not joke.
He's my senior in college, And we did speak briefly, not a lot, just when we were with our friends, when we were having lunch, dinner, or just sitting outside hostel mess. Never had any one-on-one personal interaction with him. I did speak to him a little bit after he moved to US and I moved to Canada regarding work or friends, the American culture, and that was it, nothing much. And all of a sudden, I was looking for a guy since a pretty long time but didn't find a good match. And all of a sudden, one day my profile went to him and he recognized me and he was like, she's my junior, I know her pretty well. And then there was no going back. He asked me out and then I said yes, and that's how we reached here.
I will always be there for you. We'll make an amazing life ahead. We will enjoy our life. We will make everything in our future bright, and always keep ourselves very happy, and make sure you always smile. Keep that smile on your face. You're the most beautiful girl I've ever met, and you are the most beautiful girl in this entire world. So, thank you. I love you so much.
So it's my brother's wedding. I still can't believe that he's getting married. Though he's my elder brother, like 1 year age gap we have. But still, I always felt that he's my younger brother because I've always been protective about him. I've seen him work really hard, take all the responsibilities. I wish both of them lifetime of happiness, success, love, and keep inspiring each other. And I love you both a lot. मस्त मौकर कार्य तुका. You should be very happy. I congratulate you both, and cheers to you both. Cheers to forever. Love you.
I really thank my mom and dad for getting Adi into my life. It's been wonderful since he's come into my life. There's not a single day where I've seen sadness. He makes every moment bright and shiny. He takes care of me in a way that every woman would want to be taken care of, and he loves me in every possible way in every situation. And I want to do the same to him. I want to give him abundance love. I didn't expect that stars would align so suddenly and so beautifully. I always heard from other people how their stars align, and I'm so happy the way my stars aligned with Adi and how everything has beautifully worked out for both of us.
ಕಡಲಂತೆ ಕಾದ ಕಣ್ಣು ನದಿಯಂತೆ ಓಡುವ ಕನಸು ಕಣ್ಣು ನದಿಯಂತೆ ಓಡುವ ಕನಸು ಒಂದಾಗಿ ಒಲಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದಾಗಿ ಒಲಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ತೀರ ಸೇರೋ ಪ್ರಾಯ ಅಂತಿಮ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಅದರದ ಅಂಚಿಗೆ ಮಧುರದ ಕೋರಿಕೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಮೇಲಿನ ಆಸೆ ಎಂದು ಕೊನೆಯಾಗದೆ ಕೊಂಚ ದೂರ ಆದ್ರೂ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಅಳುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಲ್ಪನೆಗೆ ಕೈಯ ಚಾಚಿ ನಿಲ್ಲು ಜನುಮ ಸಾಕೆನಗೆ ನೂರಾರು ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೂ
Happy married life, Adi and Ankita.
You're a very nice person and I'm so glad I could be part of your wedding. So congratulations to both of you and happy married life.
ಇದೇ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಗತಿ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಅದರದ ಅಂಚಿಗೆ ಮಧುರದ ಕೋರಿಕೆ
Hi, Audie. Hey, you're my best friend at work. Great time working with you. Known you for a couple years now, and I don't think we want anything but the best for you and Ankita. Many happy years together. The best of life. Good luck.
Wish you the best of marriage and many happy years.
We wish you a happy married life, Audie and Ankita. Mwah.
Hi Adi, hi Ankita. We wish you a blissful married life.
Happy marriage life.
ನನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣ ಕನಸುಗಳು ನಿನ್ನ ರೂಪ ಬಿಡಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ
Hi Aditya, I am Ankita's cousin Diksha. You are very lucky to have Ankita. She is very calm and kind person. Wishing you a happy married life. All the best.
ತನ ಕೆನ್ನೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುತ್ತನಿಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಆಸೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಸಾಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತೆ
ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ದೀರ್ಘ ಆಯುಷ್ಯ ಕೊಡಲಿ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೊಡಲಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಕೊಡಲಿ, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಕೊಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೇನೆ.